Are you tired of feeling tired? Have you been tossing and turning all night, struggling to get a good night's sleep? Well, there might just be a solution to your sleepless nights. In this detailed tutorial, we will guide you on how to sleep better. By implementing these practices, you'll be able to embrace your mornings like a superhero, equipped with all the energy you need to conquer the day. Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Prerna Kohli, a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshops, and e-learning for mental health. Getting a restful night's sleep is crucial for your physical and mental well-being. That's where sleep hygiene steps in to save the day. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is sleep hygiene? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Sleep hygiene simply refers to the practices and habits that can help you get a good night's sleep. Since everyone has different sleep needs and preferences, it's important to try out various strategies and discover what works best for you to achieve the most refreshing sleep possible. Sleep hygiene is like a special code that helps you unlock a peaceful and refreshing sleep. It's basically creating the right conditions for your body to relax and recharge during the night. So, what does good sleep hygiene involve? Well, it's things like setting up a comfortable sleep environment, sticking to a regular sleep schedule, avoiding stuff like caffeine and nicotine that can keep you up, getting some exercise, and trying out relaxation techniques. When it comes to good sleep hygiene, the ultimate aim is to create a healthy sleep routine that works in harmony with your body's internal clock. Now, let's talk about some simple and effective steps you can take to improve your sleep hygiene and have a better night's sleep. Setting a regular sleep schedule is indeed crucial for maintaining a healthy sleep routine. By consistently going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, you can regulate your body's internal clock. By adhering to a consistent sleep schedule, you help synchronize your body's natural rhythms, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the desired times. When you maintain a regular sleep schedule, you provide a clear signal to your body about when it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Also, when you wake up at the same time every day, it's like giving your body a gentle nudge and saying, "Hey, it's time to start the day." By following a consistent wake-up routine, you're actually training your body's internal clock to synchronize with your desired wake-up time. It's important to note that sticking to a consistent wake-up time also means ensuring you're getting enough sleep at night. Your wake-up time should align with the recommended sleep duration for your age and individual needs. So, it's crucial to set a bedtime that allows you to achieve the right amount of sleep, giving your body ample time to rest and recharge. Create a cozy and comfortable sleep environment in your bedroom. Keep your bedroom cool enough to promote comfortable sleep. You don't want it too hot or too cold. Find a temperature that feels just right for you. Light can be a sleep disruptor, so take steps to create a dark environment in your bedroom. Use blackout curtains or blinds to block out any external light sources, such as streetlights or early morning sunlight. And if it's challenging to achieve complete darkness, consider using a sleep mask. It can provide that extra shield against unwanted light and help you drift off more easily. Noise can also interfere with your sleep quality. If you're sensitive to sounds or live in a noisy area, try using earplugs to reduce external disturbances. Remember, your bedroom is your personal sleep sanctuary. Experiment with different elements and find what works best for you. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine is a wonderful way to help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. About 30 minutes before you plan to sleep, begin dimming the lights. This simple act helps signal your brain that it's time to wind down and get ready for a peaceful slumber. Engage in a relaxing activity that helps you unwind. Reading a book is a great choice as it allows your mind to escape into a different world and gradually detach from the stress of the day. Practicing meditation or deep breathing exercises can also be incredibly beneficial. These techniques help quiet your mind, reduce racing thoughts, and promote a sense of inner peace. Find a comfortable spot in your bedroom, sit or lie down, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this pattern for a few minutes, allowing yourself to let go of any stress or worries. It's crucial to turn off electronic devices like your phone, tablet, or computer at least 30 minutes before you hit the hay. Why? Well, these devices emit blue light, and that can wreak havoc on your sleep. You see, blue light is quite stimulating, and it keeps your brain active when you're trying to wind down. Instead of getting your body ready for sleep, it actually signals your brain that it's time to be awake and alert. Moreover, the content you engage with on these devices can be emotionally or mentally stimulating as well. Now, I totally understand that it's not always easy to completely avoid electronic devices before bed. If you find yourself in that situation, consider using blue light filters or apps that reduce blue light emissions on your devices. It's important to steer clear of large meals and drinks right before you tuck yourself in for the night. Imagine this scenario: you indulge in a heavy, satisfying meal before bedtime. While it might feel good at the moment, your body has to work extra hard to digest all that food while you're trying to drift off to dreamland. The result? Discomfort, bloating, and possibly even indigestion or heartburn. When you consume a large meal before bed, your body continues to break down the food, and that process can take quite some time. It's no wonder that discomfort and a sense of being too full can keep you tossing and turning. You can consider sipping on a warm, non-caffeinated drink. Herbal tea, such as chamomile or peppermint, is a popular choice known for its calming properties. Remember, in this crazy, fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of a good night's sleep. But now that we know better, let's make sleep a priority like never before. It's not just about getting enough sleep, it's about getting quality sleep that leaves us feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. We've explored some key tips and strategies, from creating a relaxing bedtime routine to optimizing our sleep environment and ditching those electronic distractions. It's all about setting the stage for a peaceful slumber and giving ourselves the best chance at a restful night. Now, armed with this newfound knowledge, it's time for you to take action. Embrace the power of sleep hygiene and witness the transformation it brings to your life. Prepare for those dreamy adventures and wake up with a smile on your face, ready to conquer whatever the day throws your way.